To paint flowers, first paint a few vertical, curved lines using green paint for the stems. Then, paint a small circle or oval above each curved line using a different color. These will be the centers of your flowers. Next, choose a different color and paint the petals coming off of the centers. Use wide, soft brush strokes to give your petals a soft and even texture. Build your colors up and add more color to the stems or centers of the flowers if you paint over them. If you want to go for a more realistic look, add white highlights around the edges of the petals on one side. Next, use some darker colors on the opposite side of each petal to give them a more dynamic look. Add any leaves to the stems if you'd like, and finish your painting by adding any smaller details you wish to add.